Introducing Nano Steamer, the original full-size 3-in-1 nano-ionic facial steamer that revolutionized at-home skincare. Why is Nano Steamer better? Nano Steamer is a full-size facial steamer that generates true nano-ionic steam, which is 10 times more effective in penetrating and hydrating your skin than regular steam. Nano Steamer produces 30 minutes of nano-ionic steam. Compare that to imitation steamers that produce 5 to 7 minutes of regular steam. It takes at least 20 minutes to completely hydrate skin cells and open pores for extractions. Use the included 5-piece skin kit to remove skin impurities immediately following facial steaming sessions. Now take advantage of the newly created ionic channeling pathways to deliver your preferred beauty creams and serums into the deeper layers of the skin so you can be sure you are getting their maximum effect. Nano Steamer's longer running time means it can be used as a humidifier. Set it to humidifier mode to moisten and purify the surrounding air while moving particulates and making it easier to breathe. A fan favorite and exclusive to Nano Steamer, the towel warming chamber provides amazingly refreshing, warm, moist towels that are great for de-stressing, providing a boost of energy, and also perfect for quick, chemical-free makeup removal. The original revolution in natural skincare, Nano Steamer by Pure Daily Care.
Meet the Nuderma Skin Therapy Wand, a portable, high-frequency skin rejuvenation machine that boosts cellular energy naturally for a more youthful complexion. The Nuderma Wand produces 10 watts of power at high frequency that can be delivered to your skin with the 4 included attachments. Treatments are completely painless. Use the mushroom tube to visibly reduce wrinkles and fine lines through increased blood circulation and collagen production. Get tighter and more youthful-looking skin in as little as 4 weeks. The bent and tongue tubes quickly treat acne and blemishes on the spot, so they are reduced 90% faster. Energize hair follicles using the comb tube to stimulate new growth while reducing hair shedding and dandruff for thicker, fuller, and healthier hair. Boost your skin's cellular metabolism by up to 5 times to improve your skin and hair health profile. Healthier skin and hair is more beautiful skin and hair. Nuderma. Achieve natural beauty.
Every great workout begins with dedication. But training like an athlete means you have to recover like one, too. So if you're ready to take your workouts to the next level, do it with the Maybach 3.
Plum Beauty's vibrating facial massager helps smooth fine lines and wrinkles, improve tightness and tone, and reduce puffiness and inflammation in the skin. To use, simply twist to turn on and gently glide across the skin in upward circular motions.